Hi everyone, let's see how to download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 11 computer. Well friends, open up your browser and type VLC Media Player. Hit enter. And here is the official website of VLC Media Player. Just click the first link. And here is the official website. And on the home page here you can see download VLC button. Just click on it. And here you can see the download is going on. Well friends, the download is complete. Now I'm going to click on this exe file. Now click yes. I'm going to minimize the browser and hit OK. Hit next. Hit next. Hit next. Hit install. OK, hit finish. Hit continue. Here it is, the VLC Media Player. Well friends, here you can see we have got the shortcut also. Let's open a video file. Okay, I'm going to right click on my video and open with VLC Media Player. And here you can see I can play the video.